Did your iPhone suddenly display iPhone unavailable? Locked out after entering the wrong passcode? Don't panic. Apple provides 4 ways to resolve this yourself. First, here's a hidden feature that 99% of people don't know about. If you changed your passcode within the last 72 hours, iOS 17 and later versions allows you to unlock the device using your old passcode. The process is simple. Enter the wrong passcode on the lock screen a few times until Forgot Passcode appears. Tap it, select Enter Previous Passcode, and input the old passcode you used before the change. You can then set a new passcode, all without losing any data. If the 72-hour window has passed, the second method is also incredibly easy and doesn't even require a computer. The prerequisites are, the phone must be connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Find My must have been enabled previously, and you must remember your Apple ID password. For method 2, enter the wrong passcode on the lock screen until iPhone Unavailable appears. Tap Forgot Passcode. In the bottom right corner, tap Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Tap Erase iPhone. Wait for the progress bar to complete. The phone will restart and return to the Hello screen, ready for reactivation. Note, this method erases all data on the device, though if you have an iCloud backup, you can restore your data directly during reactivation. Method 3. If neither of the previous options appears, for instance, if your phone lacks an internet connection or Find My wasn't enabled, then you'll need to use a computer. For iPhone 8 and later models, connect the phone to your computer, quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the computer and cable icon appears on the screen, indicating the device has entered recovery mode. Open iTunes or Finder on your computer and select Restore when the pop-up appears. This process reinstalls iOS and erases all content, taking roughly 30 minutes or more. The 3 methods mentioned so far are the official routes provided by Apple, but to be honest, the steps aren't exactly beginner-friendly. If you're looking for a simpler solution, you might want to try Gbyte's Erase Passcode feature. You can find the download link in the description. After installing and opening Gbyte, select the Erase Passcode mode and follow the prompts to put your iPhone into recovery mode. The software will automatically download the appropriate firmware. Simply click Start Remove, and the process is done in 5 to 10 minutes. The guided process is straightforward and easy to follow. However, I need to be upfront about 2 things. First, this operation will also wipe all data from your iPhone. There is no software that can unlock the device without losing data. If all data has already been wiped, we also offer professional data recovery software. You can watch our previous videos on iPhone data recovery. Second, when reactivating the device, you will still need the original Apple ID and password. Activation lock cannot be bypassed, and any tool claiming to do so is a scam. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the Gbyte channel and let me know in the comments which situation applied to you. See you in the next video.